All right, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be cutting this piece of onyx right there, and like it's a little too long, and I need to trim off this one section here. And I'm using my just Harbor Freight. I'm using a wood and metal bit from Rigid, and it's that one right there. What we're going to do here is we're just going to kind of slice into it so you can kind of see that it actually works here. And so you can see this is like a perfect cut right here. It just makes a real nice even surface here. So if you ever have to cut this stuff, now you know how. Just use the multi-tool, and then you can cut it right perfect. They did a good job making it for me. They just didn't do exactly what I needed, so I had to cut this off. That's like no big deal. All right.